Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Dr. Mukul sangma ubade unong yalam jong ka All India Trinamool Congress ulong ba ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kamle Eiei Satya Halor ki Jingkynnoh ba ka Donkti ban Bamsap. Ulong ba ka Jingbam le Eiei jong ka Sorkar kapan ipen ban kumba ka Donkti ha ka Bamsap. Ya kani Dr. Mukul ula kren shikilat pathai khubor hadian ka jingyalang ban pen scam ye kinongkit kam ka All India Trinamool Congress Hanot Shillong constituency. Ulong bakum kini kijat kam Bamsap ka Sorkar ka dewan sange no namarada kam sange kan sawan ra jing ya ka jelahi barok kawai haki por ki ban sawan. Ulong ba ka Sorkar jela ka dewan sange no ka jing Bamsap bat kam de satya ban pen thop ria keleng ye ladie da ka bale e ki nugi kam ki balong bi an. Dr. Mukul ulong ru babaro ki seng san perthai ka jela ki dewan treating ban ya khoni ki kam Bamsap. Ulong baka kam Bamsap kala penjat ki babon kiri ka perthai bat kwa baka bakum kani kan jaya ka Meghalaya.
I'm yet to know whether because somebody has to tell us exactly whether the authorities have allowed it to happen. Here also authorities will have to take cognizance of it. Authorities will have to take cognizance of them and act. If it is without any kind of permission, which that means completely illegal, then government should seal it. Yeah? Has there been no court order in the past? Has there been no instance when such alleged construction which did not conform to the overall building bylaws were asked to be sealed? Yes, it has been. Therefore, the same law should apply to everyone. You have to understand one thing. What is the responsibility of the authorities? And when we are talking about responsibilities of authorities pertaining to certain issues which are again covered by the mandate of certain law, any offense which is cognizable under the relevant provision of the law. What is the meaning of cognizable offense? You have to ask them. Cognizable offense is cognizable offense. The government has to take cognizance. The authorities will have to take cognizance. Denying to take cognizance of these instances of irregularities and instances of alleged corruption, that means they are acting as an accused. You get my point? That means by default they are telling the people they themselves are the accused. That's why they want to defend. It's simple. That's why I'm saying it is palpable and visible, and it is unfortunate. It must stop, it must end, because we want to ensure that the state is not subjected to that kind of disastrous future. And that is the reason why we must say that corruption must end. Today, you have seen, the collective endeavor, sincere commitment coming from people from all walks of life, sending a message which is loud and clear that there must be a collective effort from all political parties, that we promise the people of the state that Meghalaya should be free from corruption. Meghalaya should not be infamous for all these instances. You look at the stories. The stories are being carried left and right. Okay? If there is no truth in it, then what should the responsible government? The government should go hammer and tongs against them legally, to go and then take all measures to probably even look at anything which comes as a defamation. Have they had the guts? Have they shown the guts to go after those people who are, pointing finger against them? That itself is something which is indicative of what is happening. I repeat, the people in authority, the government, has been acting as accused. Now you see, you have to look at from multiple perspectives, including the whole inputs that's coming from different angles, indicative of what has been happening in the preceding years. I must tell you one thing, that over the years, there has been a sincere and concerted and sustained attempt by all concerned to draw the attention of the government to ensure that all those instances of irregularities and alleged corruptions are put to stop and demonstrate their resolve to ensure that irregularities and alleged instances of corruption does not take place. We must remember one thing, that corruption has destroyed many nations across the world. We don't want our state of Meghalaya to be destroyed by the level of corruption that is palpable, that is visible, and the worst thing is that the government tries with complete sense of impunity to be on denial. That is something which is a very, very dangerous thing. Along with the rest of the party colleagues who have been part of the team that we have been constituting under the leadership of our Vice President, because Vice President Mr. James Jingkynnoh is also an electorate of this 17 North Shillong constituency. So it's a collective effort, though, but then she has the blessings from all. And we are happy to the family also that they are with her, and then she has all the blessings from her.